Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet. Oh, wanted to let the sun shine in the back. Welcome to my dining room. Sorry, but Roy is sleeping upstairs. Well, I think I just heard him getting in the shower. So I was filming down here. The lighting is bad. Probably because of the light coming in. It's been raining most of the day, so we got a little sunshine. I thought I would let it in. And I'd like to, as I said, welcome you here to the yarn room. Or the dining room. I know it's, been a minute again for another video, but I'm doing the best I can. So anyway, sorry I got disrupted by a phone call. And I forget what we were talking about. Oh yeah. So we're here in the dining room, and I got Happy Mail. And that's what this is about today. I'll just tell you on the crochet front, I did finish my collaboration project with Hobie, and that's what I've been working on. So I have no finished or worked on even other that I can show you. And I can't show you that until Saturday. It has to come out, I think, on the 17th. And there's been some changes, so that's what happens sometimes. Things change. But I got this Happy Mail, and I'm all excited. I talked to, this is from Anita at Y.O.H.Crochet, and I will have her linked in the description box, and she told me to open it without her, which means I could open it with all of you, and then she can watch and see my reaction. So as you can see, I don't mind the noise, but I'm just opening, and oh my goodness, what is in here? Why did you do this, Anita? There's all kinds of stuff in here. So first, well, things are falling out. Oh, a little wish healing bracelet. That's awfully pretty. I wonder if it'll fit on my ankle. I love ankle bracelets in the summertime. So thank you. I'm going to put this on. There's just stuff falling out. Oh my God, look at that. How cute is that? A little pencil pouch. Notions pouch. So cute. I love it. Okay, it's peachy. I don't know. See it? Peachy calf? Smart ass and sass. Well, that's cute. A little sticker. Oh. This is something with an elephant on the front. Oh, it's just like a hook. Right? It's a hook. Oh, yeah, it sticks. Okay. Oh, it's a suction cup. Wait, hold on. There's more pieces in here. Oh, okay. I think you suction cup this to the wall, and then you've got a nice, cute little hook. Ha! I love that. I'm going to put that up in the camper. Oh, that's too cute. Yep, that will hang in the camper. It's a little mushed in the process here. Okay, get in there. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. Wait, okay. So this side is not upside down. Oh, there's an Anita here. And this side then is, and let's see. Oh, it's a wallet. I wasn't sure if it was like a notions pouch or what, but oh, nice. I wonder if my cell phone will fit in here. Probably not. I love the colors. Oh, all kinds of credit card space and all that. It's got a clip you can hang it, to put on. Nice. This is nice, Anita. Why didn't you keep this? It's very cool. Let's see. I gotta stick this little guy on here. Awesome. It's bigger than the one that I currently use, and I think I could like that a lot better. Let's see. Then we've got Smart Ass and Sass. Again, this scoop is mine. I eat ice cream as a snack every day. Mine. Awesome. Totally love that. it's nice. That's a nice one. I love the wood handle. It says mine on it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's for our ice cream. Yay, yay, yay. Then we've got Keep Kicking Ass notepad. Let's see. Don't look back. You're not going that way. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, it's just I need this actually. We're going away next weekend. I need a list, so I'm going to use that. Oh, and then the piece de resistance. Looky, a purple elephant. Oh, isn't he adorable? I love her. It's a her. I know it is. Oh, she is so cute. Thank you so much, Anita. I totally love her. Adorable. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Okay, smile pretty. Hi, everyone. Oh, we have to come up with a name. I love how you did the eyes. Look at how she did the eyes. Isn't that cool? And the eyes are purple. Totally love that. Purple sparkle eyes. I love the trunk. Look, it's got a little tail. With little this. So cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Anita. I totally love her. And she's going to go on my shelf. Well, you know what? I'm going to put her on the back of the couch where I crochet. That's where you're going to go. Okay. Okay. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching my Happy Mail. Thank you so much, Anita, for my Happy Mail. It did make me very happy. She makes me very happy. All my elephant stuffs. Everybody knows I'm the elephant girl. Purple elephants are the best. Say goodbye. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and all of that stuff. Push the buttons and do all of those things. You know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.